You all know that the Bard AI is now Gemini AI, but I'm sure that you don't know you can take help of Gemini AI to generate images like this. If you really wanted to know how, then watch this video till end, because I will reveal step by step how Gemini AI is better than GPT-4, and also going to unleash the potential of Gemini AI prompt for generating images. Multimodality. It can not only understand and generate text like Bard, but it can also process and work with images, audio and code seamlessly. Here I will show you an example of Gemini AI generate a poem by understand the given image. And it generate poem like
Sun, dappled leaves on branches high, cast dancing shadow on the ground, where twisted roots like serpents lie, and whispering secrets can be found.
improved reasoning and planning. Need help making a decision or planning a project? It can analyze complex situations, weigh options, and suggest logical courses of action, going beyond simple information retrieval. Here I am showing you an example of how Gemini AI helped me to plan a dream vacation from Goa to Abu Dhabi. It gives me a whole day plan for my vacation, where I should go and famous places in Abu Dhabi. And if it is connect in my Google Flights with its extension, it can also give me flights information. Capability. It's a vast training dataset and advanced algorithm make it faster and smarter. Please focus on this graph. These are the numbers where its accuracy continuously beating the Chat GPT-4 in terms of understand image to text, audio and video. Google says here, Gemini is the first model to outperform human experts on MMLU. Well, this is one of the most popular method to test the knowledge and problem solving ability of AI models. Prompt skill. Well, if you people don't know what is prompt, so basically it means a instruction which is given to any AI tool for getting desired result. Anyway, let me show you how I can generate these images using Gemini plus free image generating AI tool. For generating an image, you must have to clear what type of image do you want, and if you already have some images, then it is good. But if you don't have any image, then don't worry, I have also solution for that. First, if you have an similar image that you want to generate, simply click here, upload your image and write a prompt that you want a similar image, so write a prompt for it. Here, Gemini explain the image and generate some prompt. Simply copy it and now go to pollination.ai. Here, paste the prompt and click on create. After some time, your image will be generating in a new tab. Then simply right click on image or download it. Now, what you will do if you don't have image? So in that case, simply write, I want to generate an image. Can you give me a prompt of it? And it will ask you for give more details about the image. Well, this is all about Gemini. And if you want a deep understanding of Gemini, then you can watch my previous video on Bard AI, because both are almost same. In that video, I was explaining you how Bard AI is better than GPT and how you can get help of Bard AI in your day-to-day life. Or if you want to know how to write a prompt, then you can watch this 4-step formula video on Chat GPT. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep learning, keep perfecting yourself.